Hey tech friends, welcome back into tutorial. In this we are going to learn how to see the daily data uses on your phone. So in this I will guide one of the easiest and step-by-step process to see the daily data uses on your phone. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your setting application on mobile device. So after opening that, now you can see a search option is there. You can search from here directly data uses, but I also through options. So now you can see here more connectivity option is there. Tap on this. Inside that, now you can see here data uses option. So tap on this. Yeah, now you can see here as this one is for today's data, how much is consumed. It's showing 1.19 GB. And if you want to see for the last month, you can select like this. You can see the last month it's showing 122 point something like that. And for this month, you can see like that everything for the data uses. And if you want to see for the Wi-Fi also, you can see from here. And as still now is the mobile data uses. So in this way, you can see the total data uses of your phone. So if you like the video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.